Hey folks, welcome to Module 2. In this module, our expert will be covering ad campaign goals. So get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
All right, so we're here where we left off in the last lesson at the campaign page. Basically what Google Ads has done, and most of the major ad platforms have done this as well, is they want to take users and have them choose an overarching overall campaign goal before they start creating their ad. And then throughout the process, based on the goal that they choose, they're going to get little hints and little tailorizations to sort of help them accomplish what they're trying to. It's a pretty smart move, and it makes it much more accessible to your average Joe who would sometimes just play with these different ad platforms and not have any success and then give up. So this is definitely a move in the right direction. Let's go through each of these goals and see which ones are relevant to us since we're running a display ad campaign. So first off, sales. Drive sales online, in-app, by phone, or in-store. That's pretty straightforward, right? You're either going to be sending somebody to a sales page or to an e-commerce store. And you can also do it via app and phone with phone numbers inside of the ads, which is kind of cool. And it looks like campaign types, search, display, and shopping are associated with this, so this could be an option for us. Next one, leads. Get leads and other conversions by encouraging customers to take an action. Pretty straightforward, sending people to landing pages, right? Campaign types, search, display, shopping, video. Website traffic. Get people to visit your website. The most basic, straightforward one out there. A little bit overused, I would say. Generally speaking, you should be choosing one of these two if you're just moving website traffic. But if you're just doing content marketing or something like that, this could be a good option. Search, display, shopping, video, once again, are the associated campaign types that you can choose from if you choose this as your goal. Product and brand consideration. Now, this is an interesting one. This is where you can actually get some complex ads that allow users to sort of explore the different features of products or services and allows them to sort of compare yours to other offerings out there. It does work with display and with video. Brand awareness and reach. This is less about people clicking and actually taking an action and more about just getting your brand identity, your visual brand identity and name out there in front of as many eyeballs as possible. So it's mostly focused on impressions, not clicks, not conversions, but impressions. Okay, so that subconsciously people start becoming more aware of your brand because they're seeing it everywhere, whether or not they're actually, typing into a form or buying your stuff at that moment. So campaign types for this, as you can imagine, display is in fact one of them, and video is the other. App promotion. That's exactly what it sounds like, and you're trying to get installs and interactions for your mobile app. And create a campaign without a goals guidance. You should really stay away from this one unless you're kind of an ads guru and you know everything about this. You know the bidding, you know the auction concept, conversions, all the different algorithms and variables and elements involved, and you understand how it works, and you want to just sort of go in there and do everything on your own. This is the option for you, but it's not a particularly smart one if you're not an absolute AdWords guru. So it's better to pick one of these. And I think for us, we're just going to send people straight to a sales page for our teeth whitening solution. Let's click on this. We're going to choose display. We could choose shopping if we're sending them to an e-commerce store or something like that. That's definitely an option. We'll just do a standard display ad this time, though. And standard display ad campaign. Gmail campaign, that's a pretty cool concept as well, sending people or showing people ads within their free Gmail accounts. We'll stick with standard display campaign so we can show up and pop up on websites all over the web while people are browsing. And we'll go to, we'll say whiteteeth.com, which I don't even know if that is a website. I'm just typing it in. We'll hit continue. And this brings us into the actual process of setting up the campaign, which is what we'll start getting into more in the next lesson.